Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to hide, lock or unlock apps with fingerprint on this device. So to enable this feature, you will firstly have to add fingerprint on your device. If you don't know how to add fingerprint, you can find this video tutorial about it on our channel. So firstly you will have to add fingerprint, then go to your fingerprint section here. Here you have to enable this feature app lock. Next, what you'll have to do is to go to the apps section in settings, then go to the app lock, then tap turn on. Then you have to set up your backup app lock method. It could be pattern, you can also change it to PIN or password. Let's select PIN. Then you have to enter PIN, confirm it. Then you can add your XIAOMI account, but you can also skip this step now and do it anytime later. Not now. And here you can see all the apps which you want to block. You can block all of these apps, suggested apps, but let's just block only Google Chrome. And then tap use lock. And as you can see, now I can't unlock my Google Chrome without my fingerprint or without the PIN code. You know, with my fingerprint. Wow. Okay. Let's try one more time. So after you unlock the app, it will be always unlocked until you lock your screen. And after you unlock your screen, the app will be locked again, and now I can unlock it with my fingerprint. Let me show you one more time. As you can see, app is locked, and after I place my finger on the fingerprint sensor, it unlocks. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.